everybody, welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to share you how to choose your workstation desktop for your 3D simulation, 3D work, data mining, and for creative person. For this is I highly recommend it to watch this full video before purchase a professional grade workstation. So this is actually not a promotional video, because this Lenovo brand company give me not a single penny. So I think it is this video is very helpful to you, because 80% artists never buy a professional grade machine and they suffer lots of problem. They crash during rendering. They are facing crash, and the render speed is very slow. For complex rendering, for complex lighting and high-end work, you need the professional workstation. So don't try to assemble yourself at your home. Just buy two Lenovo workstation. So I'm not suggest you, just I asked to CHAT GPT, because yes, if I wrong, so it doesn't matter. So everybody in the whole world, everybody know about the CHAT GPT 80% correct, and it is the computer generated AI computer generated, and the CHAT GPT never doesn't and never semi misguide. Actually they doesn't semi lie or never misguide anybody, just like me. So I asked the CHAT GPT what good computer I want to say, the consumer grade or professional grade. So it is the answer, the consumer grade. You can, if you want to buy consumer grade, this is a high performance CPU dedicated, and I want to focus on professional grade. You can see here professional grade workstation grade such as Intel Xeon or AMD Ryzen. These are the professional grade. I recommended you to buy a AMD Ryzen Threadripper Pro or professional GPU RDA NVIDIA Quadro or AMD Radeon Pro, or you can buy the NVIDIA RTX NVIDIA A series. A series means A2000, A1000. So it is the greater RAM, minimum 32 GB. So I want to so you can see here. So I want to buy how to customize your workstation. This is an example. I opened the Lenovo workstation website from our country India. So you can, if you like the HP, so you can, the HP also manufacture the workstation, and Dell and Apple basically they manufacture the professional grade machines. So I don't want to show the Apple. The Lenovo HP, Lenovo, and the Dell, 3 are the very popular workstation manufacturer in the world. So go back to 32 gig RAM. And next question I asked to ChatGPT, difference between the consumer grade and professional grade computer. So consumer grade, you can see here the target audience, the specification, component, price, generally more budget friendly compared to professional grade system. And why I recommended to buy always professional grade. Target created toward professional in just like design, architecture, engineering, animation, and specific research were the high performance and scientific research, because every university should buy professional grade, because I have seen in our city some university always buy, and some medical university they bought the professional grade machine directly from HP and Dell. So why we wouldn't buy the professional grade machine? So my last question, why 3D industry use professional grade computer? And the CHAT GPT reply me, performance demand for 3D rendering, modeling, simulation involve complex. You can see here that is not I asked to CHAT GPT and she reply me. So Intel Xeon or Threadripper and NVIDIA Quadro on AMD Radeon Pros, really certified company, specializes scalability and customization, handling large datasheet. So this is the asking for ChatGPT. So let's go and customize the ThinkStation. So at first I want to show you how to buy a how to customize this workstation for beginner at least entry level. It is not a high-end computer, just entry level for designer, educator or students. So this model is ThinkStation P358 and high performance entry level tower workstation. So P358 tower AMDs. Oh, this is a AMD. This is a AMD generated and this is the Intel generated. This is the Intel 95920 and this is the ThinkStation. I always recommended you to buy a AMD desktop ISB. These are the same. This is the 95. You can see the Intel PC is less price than the AMD CPU, high-end performance, ideal for design and engineer and student. So I recommend you can buy the 360 or you can buy these are the same. What is the difference? This PC has AMD CPU and this PC has P360 has a Intel CPU. So I click it in here and I always click it on here, view this model, and I want to customize these two models side by side. P36 workstation, most powerful entry level workstation. So feature and click on the feature. You can see here perfect value for performance. ThinkStation 12th generation Intel Core, and whereas the AMD, if I click on in here feature workstation, reliability, durability, processor. You can see here the processor. I already scroll it down. You can see here the P36 workstation has a 12th generation Core i9 processor, 16 core, and it is up to Ryzen 9 Pro. You can see here the 9 Pro 5. Actually the AMD I have opened the professional grade CPU is above 7000 series. You can see here create more faster with AMD Ryzen 7000 series and AMD Ryzen Pro 7000 series processor for professional content creator and variety. You can see here. So Ryzen 9, so Intel 9 core, so it is more faster than the any Intel i9 processor. So I think this is not a good for rendering, because the company claim the 700 series Pro 700 series. You can see here the AMD Ryzen Pro 9 Pro 7940 and AMD Ryzen 7 Pro 7745, 5 Pro 70. Always more than 7000 series. You can see here AMD Ryzen 5 Pro. So this is, I think this is not good for. So however, you can see here the professional graphics card, the A5000, at least RTX A2000, and whereas the another hand P38 series, the it has the same NVIDIA whereas 350, it is entry level Z-Force RTX. They use the Z-Force RTX. It is a very entry level, and price is lesser than the is 360. So you can buy this one. So you can this one. So now I scroll up and build my PC. So what is the different price? The price difference if I buy the 360 and 350 side by side, because this it has a good graphics card. At first I configure the 350 Ryzen Pro. Yes, you can see AMD Ryzen 9 Pro, but it has no 700 series, 7000 series, no operating system. So let's go back. Intel i5 processor, Intel Core i5 processor, 12th generation, i9 processor, 60000, 12th generation i7. So 60000, this is good for you. 35,000. CPU E-core up to V Pro. It is V Pro. I click it here. Main things is no operating system, Linux, Ubuntu. It is good for Intel AUTODESK. Memory always, you can see here memory always 32 GB. Intel or Xeon or AMD Ryzen Threadripper, but it is for high-end computer. But this video is about not a high-end, it's entry level. So at least 32 GB RAM memory storage, at least 32 GB RAM. You can see here the certified company. Many professional software used in industry like AUTODESK 3D, SolidWorks, Cinema 4D optimized to work seamlessly with a specific hardware configuration. Special professional grade computer often comes with a certificate from software vendor guaranteeing compatibility and optimized performance. So I'm buying the minimum is 32 GB RAM. 32 GB RAM, DDR5 U. This one I want to buy 60s UDIM ECC UDIM DDR5. I click it in here and I buy a 2 unit. So 1,89,000. So integrated graphics card integrated. No, I don't want to. I want to buy a dedicated graphics card, RTX 8012 GB. Don't buy a T series. Always buy A series, RTX A series. So it increased to 2,67,366. So next is, it doesn't matter if you buy no graphic dongle. Next you want to buy including 2 TB. Don't buy this one. 2 TB. Second, this one buy, because 512 GB SSD is enough for you. You can buy the external hard disk, no fast storage, SATA SSD. 3 option for including first storage. You can buy the 1 TB hard disk type SATA. These are the accessories. The main thing you want to focus to before buy a workstation: CPU, RAM, and graphics card. I have already choose the CPU, this one i9. It's the very first, and now I'm gonna go the thing P358. I'm using the AMD Ryzen Pro because I have choose the Intel i9. So the Intel i9 and AMD Ryzen 9 Pro is the same, 45,000. That is maximum, but no operating system. Don't buy a Windows 11 because it wastes your money. So 32 GB 16 GB RAM. I want to buy a 2 unit, the same DDR4 UDIM, but you can see here the DDR5. You can see a DDR5, but here you can see the DDR4. I want to buy it 2 unit. So 16 into 16, 32 GB minimum. So if you want, you can buy the 4, but this CPU has only 2 memory channel. So if you add the 64 gig RAM, so you would buy 32 unit into 32 gig DDR4 RAM. So avoid it. TCDs RTX, yes, this one DDR6. And next thing, I buy 12 CD DDR NVIDIA RTX 8000 DDR6. So I buy this one NVIDIA RTX 8000 DDR6. So 70,000 plus 70,000 plus 2,31,000. So it doesn't matter where it is a main onboard SSD, no onboard SSD. We don't need a SSD. For first selection 1 TB, yes, this is okay. 1 TB 7, this one is okay. Wireless. So main focus to make this video, how to configure, how to make your PC just like a professional workstation for entry level. This price, this P35 price is 2,31,256. This is the price. This is the unit. It is INR price 2,30,000, or this one 2,40,000. The same GPU I have chosen the same GPU. This has the same GPU, and the RAM same GPU, and the RAM is same, but the 16 GB DDR5, but here the DDR4 3200 megahertz, and here you can see the 4400 megahertz. This is better than $350 always, this one. And I have the Linux Ubuntu 12th generation i9 Pro processor, e-core up to I don't know what core this CPU has. I don't know, because and I don't know what how many cores this AMD Ryzen 9 Pro has, because there are no indication here that I see, that I would see. So this price is the 2,31,000, and this price is the 2,40,000, just 8,000 the difference. So these are the machines for entry level. So you can see here the AMD Ryzen and RTX. You can see here the RTX A8 4000 graphics card. The NVIDIA RTX 4000 is the most powerful single slot GPU for professional delivering for real-time ray tracing AI accelerated. What to buy? If you NVIDIA, if you click it in here, if you search on the, you can find because RTX A2000 NVIDIA RTX introducing technology for professional workstation with a powerful low profile design, transform your work with real time. So this company made this graphics card for professional work, and you can see here the NVIDIA RTX 3060 or 3080. You can see here, see in your own eyes, 3080 family for GeForce RTX. If you want to click it in here, TI has a more CUDA code than RTX family graphics card. TI has a more CUDA code than the RTX 3080. So you can see here what the Z4 RTX family, the ultimate Z4 RTX 3080 graphics card deliver the performance that gamer. This graphics card for actually for gamer. It is not for professional work. And every artist made the same mistake. Every artist. This Z4 RTX 3080 Ti RTX 30 graphics card deliver performance that gamer card powered by the Ampere. Second generation built for dedicated. Here you don't see the company claim that this graphics card is for professional, but you can see here NVIDIA RTX A2000 and 2016GB graphics for the compact design, unmatched performance. This for professional workstation. That is why the CHAT GPT say you like the Intel, and Intel it is a CPU, but you can see here GPU yes, you can see here the professional GPU NVIDIA Quadro or MDI Thread, but this is not a Quadro, but this series is the professional RTX Quadro. You can see here the RTX Quadro A series 2000 or RTX, because it is a real RTX. This is a RTX series, so you can see here. So I hope you understood what I am going to say. So before buy any professional workstation, I request you follow my rules, not actually follow my rules, you follow the CHAT GPT rules. So if you want to buy and last thing I want to say, you can't buy this professional graphics card or professional CPU in open market or in Amazon or any online store. This is the main problem. So not available easily on the open market. So I hope you enjoy this video. Thanks for watching. See you again in the next video with a new computer tech. So bye bye.